Hello dear Sagittarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is a reading from today till the 21st of October and this might or might not resonate with you as it is journal. And yeah, the roles can be reversed anytime, okay Saggy? I'll call you Sagittarius, okay? Sagittarius is so long to say, yeah. So Sagittarius, your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is Justice. Could be dealing with a Libra here. I feel like your partner right now is going through some legal matters or legal processes or some kind of land issues or courtroom drama issues. If not they are trying to do justice with their life, their emotions, their feelings, whatever is happening in their life. They are just trying to do justice with themselves, their own needs and aspirations, and whatever they are doing, they just want to do justice with themselves. This is their current energy. Let me clarify the justice in their current energy. Wheel of Fortune and the King of Pentacles and the Magician. Definitely this person is right now going through a surge of lucky time in their life. The tables are turning in their favor. They are getting some kind of justice from the universe. They are healing from a past situation where they were not happy at all. Now they are healing from this situation and they are manifesting a very good life. So this person is right now going through a manifestation process and they are just manifesting a good life for themselves, and they are feeling like the luck is favoring them and now they are getting the justice from the universe, the long awaited justice that they were desiring from a very long time. Now they are getting this justice. This is what they are currently experiencing. Okay, it could be any courtroom drama as well that they are getting justice for. It could be anything. It could be their emotions or their things that they are dealing with right now, but this person right now is in this state of justice. Okay, balance in their life, trying to balance their life, balance their emotions, balance what is happening with them. Good energy. Let me see Sagittarius, what's your current energy? Ten of Cups. Beautiful energy. You are just having a good family time with your family, or you are just having a good time with your partner. Whatever this is, it is going to make you, it is making you really happy actually. Might be you are right now attending some kind of function or family gathering or something related to your family that's making you really happy, or you're just taking a break from everyday routine and just spending time with your family. This is very good energy of beautiful family life and beautiful wish fulfillment. You can also say wish fulfillment and happiness. This is what you are truly doing. Might be you are just seeking the help of your family just to come out of a negative situation in your life. Okay, let me clarify the Ten of Cups. Six of Swords, the Strength card, and the Queen of Swords. So yes, I feel like you are just trying to be, you could be dealing with a Leo here. First of all, you are just trying to be peaceful. You are just trying to find a peaceful resolution towards the problems that you are facing from a very long time in your life. You are trying to go towards a peaceful future. You are trying to act like very courageous. You are gathering the strength that you have. Okay, you are right now feeling you are right now experiencing the situation where you are feeling like, yes, this is the only solution to my problem. I have to be courageous, and I just have to find a way to find a peaceful resolution or a peaceful solution to my own problems. And you are just being very clear in your intentions, very clear in your intentions. You are cutting out all the negativity, all the toxicity that is coming your way, and you are just trying to be happy with yourself, with your family, and you are being very honest with your own needs and desires. This is what is your current energy is. Nice. This is Six of Swords and the Strength card and the Queen of Swords. So right now your current energy is of that you are taking all the things that is coming your way in your own hands and trying to experience what it is teaching you, and trying to move on from that and be happy in that. Okay, good Sagittarius, it's a very good energy. Okay, let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Two of Wands. I feel like this person is feeling like they should just wait for the right time. They have taken a decision. See, one wand is in their hand, in her hand, in this picture, and another one is just like lying down there. So they have chosen what they want to do. They have already taken the decision. They feel like they should just wait for the right time. They have just taken the decision. They just feel like they should just wait for the right time to connect with you or to tell you the decision or whatever they are thinking. They are just waiting for the right time. They feel like they should just wait for the right time. Okay, cool. This is the situation. Let me clarify the Two of Wands as what they feel for you. Five of Wands and the Two of Pentacles and the Two of Swords. Lots of two here. Lots of two here. They are definitely very, very conflicted, very, very confused. Although I can see that this person have taken certain kind of decision, but they are feeling lost. They are feeling lost without you. They are feeling uncertainty without you. They are feeling confused without you. They are going through some kind of inner conflict, inner battle. They're fighting with themselves. They're fighting with their emotions. They're fighting with whatever is happening in their situation right now. They are constantly juggling. They're constantly juggling between two situations or between you or somebody else. It could also be possible. I'm not saying a third party situation here, but I feel like they're just constantly fighting with themselves regarding this situation with you. They are constantly on the crossroads. What to do, what to do, what to do. That's why they feel like they should just wait for the right time. That's why they feel like, because right now they are not in the state of mind to feel good or bad or take any kind of decision regarding this particular situation with you. That's why they are just feeling like they should just wait for the right time. This is what they feel for you. Conflicted, losing balance. There are lots of two, and two are always a number of confusion, moodiness, intuition as well, but moodiness and not able to decide. Okay, this is what they feel for you. Let me see what this person wants from you, Sagittarius. Ten of Pentacles, a happy family. This is what they want from you. They want to have a prosperous and happy family with you. They want to grow old with you. They want to have a spouse relationship with you. They want to marry you. Or what should I say now? They want to have a marriage and or a committed relationship with you. This is what they want from you, okay? But right now they feel very, very conflicted and confused. Let me clarify the Ten of Pentacles as what they want from you. Let me see. Ace of Swords and the Four of Cups and the Two of Wands. Again, they want to restart the connection with you. This is for sure, because right now they're conflicted, confused, you can say dissatisfied, not able to decide in their life at all, and they are just waiting for the right time. So what they want from you is to have a reconciliation with you, to have a family with you. They want to restart this connection with you after lots of fight or conflicts or whatever it was in the past. They just want to cut out that the toxicity, the negativity, and just wait for the right time. Again, they just want you also to wait for the right time to be in a prosperous and happy or committed relationship with them. This is what they want from you, okay? So this is the Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles is clarified by the Ace of Swords and the Four of Cups and the Two of Wands. They just want to have a happy life with you, but they just want you to wait for the right time for this thing to happen between you guys, okay, Sanji? Cool. Let me see what is coming towards you till 21st of October. Eight of Pentacles. I feel like you are going to work. Might be you are going to work on your money, your business, or your job or something like that, but you are going to surely work out, put in your effort, put in your energy in something. It could be mutual energy as well, that both of you are going to work out, might be in this connection, on this connection, or there are certain things that you guys are going to work out on. It could be you or it could be them, or it could be a mutual energy of both of you. Take it how it resonates with you. So let me clarify the Eight of Pentacles, what you are working on. Knight of Wands and the Queen of Wands and the Empress. So you could be dealing with an Aries here. So I feel like you are going to work on the connection with this particular person, because you are going to feel highly passionate about them. You are going to take the risk with them. You are ready to take the risk with them, and you are going to take a decision that you are going to work on this connection. It could be mutual energy as well. It could be them as well who is doing that. Okay, it could be anybody of you, or it could be both of you. who are ready to just put in the effort, put in the energy in this connection. But intuitively I'm getting that you are going to do this from your side, because you are highly passionate about this particular person first of all, and the second thing, that you are just ready to take the risk with them again, and that you are going to decide that I will put in the effort, put in the energy in this connection, and I will see where it is going. This is the energy present here. This is what is coming towards you till the 21st of October. So the Knight of Wands is converting into the Queen of Wands, and the Queen is converting into the Emperor. So with as each day is passing, you are going to be highly passionate, and you are going to decide like, I will work on this connection. I'll put in effort, I'll put in energy, and I'll see where it is going. Okay, this is what is coming towards you till 21st of October. It could be them also, that they will take the risk and they will just come towards you, and they will tell you that they are ready to put in the effort and energy in this connection. It could be any of you, or it could be both of you. Okay, so thank you so much for connecting, Sages. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.